Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply style transfer effect to a video in Expo React Native for Android using Media 3. So yeah, let's get started. And also we will be making use of TensorFlow LiteRT. So first I'll show you guys the demo what I mean by style transfer effect. So I have already created the project, Expo project. So I'll just show you one image first. So here I have this two images, so this oil.png and style.jpg. Now you can take whatever image you feel like. So basically I want to transfer style of this particular image to a video which I will select, right? So I'll just move to Android Studio to show you guys the demo. So I'll just click on pick video, and here you can see I have this 15 seconds long video. So I'll just select this 15-second long video. Now it depends on how big your video is. So here you can see it is displaying the progress inside our text view. So there are two values. So the second value is displaying the actual progress which goes from 0 to 100. I'll talk more about it later on in the video. So if you select a long video, it will take more time to do the transformation. So let's just wait. Here you can see it has finished transforming. Now it has applied this particular style transfer of that image to this particular video which I have selected. So I'll just play this video just to prove it to you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now if I click on pick video again, the style transfer transformed video is also saved to external storage, so the user can access it even outside our app. Now let's see how to achieve this. So first you just need to I have just created one cheat sheet. So first you need to create an Expo project, Expo React Native project. So you can just go to this particular URL over here. I'll just paste it, and you just need to run this command. So I'm using the blank TypeScript template. Feel free to use other templates as well. So there is this default blank tabs bare minimum as well. Blank TypeScript template has less boilerplate code, and it also has TypeScript support. That's why I'm using that. Then once you do that, you just have to cd to your Expo React Native project, and then we need to do some native setup because we need to write some native code. At the time of me recording this video, there is no third-party library available to achieve this. So now this is only an Android specific tutorial, so you will have to select Android device over here, then select development build over here. I'm not using EAS, so I have disabled it. Then select your own operating system. I have already installed Watchman, Cas Zulu. I have set the Java home path. I have already installed Android Studio as well. I have done all of this stuff. So I'll simply scroll through this. I have already set this as well. Okay, then like I said, you just need to cd to your Expo React Native project and then run this particular command. Once this command is run, then you need to run this particular command, npx expo run android. So if you see over here, they have given this as well. So once you run this particular command, it will generate this Android folder for you. So this Android folder for you. Okay, and it will ask you whether you want to run this application on a emulator or on a real device. Don't run it now because we will need to write some native code. Even if you run it now, later on fast refresh will not work. You will have to start it from the scratch, like run it from the scratch. That's why. Okay, once that is done, we need to create an Expo module as well. So to create an Expo module, you just copy this particular URL over here and then open it inside a new tab. So here you can see that to add a module to an existing application, you just need to copy this command and just again paste it inside your terminal. Again, make sure you have already cd into your application. So once you run this command, it will ask you 3 questions like what should be the module name and everything. Just press enter thrice, and it should create this particular modules folder for you. If you want to rename it, you can rename it as well, but here you can see something like this. So yeah, now let's see how to achieve this. So first you need to go to this modules, my module folder, and next you need to go to src. You need to go to my modules.ts. Firstly, here you can see that I have added this extra method. So these 3 were present by default. I have not changed it. So this template does change from time to time. So if you see some different method, don't worry too much about it. So here we have this method called apply effect, and value here we will be passing the URL of the selected video, and it will return us a promise of type void. So we want to continuously send the progress from native Android side to React Native side, right? So we can't really use this promise because promise will send data only once. We have to use something called an event emitter, which I will talk about soon. So here you just write this particular method, then coming back to my modules.type.ts. Now everything I have kept everything which was present by default. The only thing which I have changed is this progress thing. So this will help us to send the progress from native Android side to Expo React Native side. The value which we will be using this value prop as well, this value event emitter as well, for sending the URL of the transformed video. Okay, rest I have kept everything as default. Let's see how to use it first. Then go to app.tsx. So you will have to okay, so you need to install two more dependencies. So you need to install Expo image picker as well as React Native video. Expo image picker for picking video and React Native video for playing the video. Then I have also made few of these changes inside app.json. So I have added this plugins, Expo image picker photo permission. We don't really require this permission, but I have added it. And for React Native video also I have added it because this was present in the documentation, that's why I have added it. Then just go to app.tsx over here. So firstly you will have to copy all these imports. Then I have created one state for video URL and one state for progress, and inside use effect we have added the listener of on change event. So if you remember over here we had this where did it go? So I think, I'm not sure. So it basically if you come over here, if basically this corresponds to the on change event of our module.add listener. Okay, that's why we have to use it over here, and this will give you the progress as well as the value. So progress, once I keep getting the progress, I update our state, and here value you will get the of the video URI. Okay, and at the end we remove our subscription as well. So here you can see I have taken one touchable opacity, and we have using this launch image library async, we are filtering by videos. And once we have the video URL, we just got my module.apply effect method, pass the video URL to it, and here one text element for displaying the pic video, and other one for displaying sorry, I have added it inside touchable opacity, it should be outside. Okay, so I have displaying the progress. You can display actual progress bar as well, I have leave that up to you. And here once video URI is not equal to empty, we just play the video with the help of this video element. Okay, and these are all the styles for it as well. Now let's see how to implement this. So first you need to go to the Android folder, you need to go to build.gradle, and here you need to add this dependency block. So here you need to add media 3 effect, media 3 transformer. Then TensorFlow Lite has been renamed to LiteRT, so that's why I'm adding LiteRT support API, LiteRT GPU as well as LiteRT over here. Then you need to go to SRC, Android manifest. Okay, we don't need to add anything inside Android manifest, sorry. Then you need to create a folder called assets inside the main folder, and inside the assets folder firstly you need to add any image whatever you feel like. I just tested with these two images, but you can add whatever image you feel like. And these are the TensorFlow Lite models. Now I will add a pin comment from where you can download this TensorFlow Lite models. Then you need to go to Java. Firstly you need to create this Kotlin file called styletransfereffect.kt. Now first you can just copy this package name, whatever you see inside my module.kt, just copy this package name and paste it over here. Rest, these are all the default imports which you have. Now even I have copy pasted this code from the documentation, so I'm not so even I don't completely understand it, I'll simply scroll through this file. You can feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code. So this will basically do all the heavy lifting for us for transferring doing the style transfer. Okay, so that's why I'll simply scroll through this file. Okay, so next there is one more thing which I want to tell you, in case if you have time. Instead of here you can play around with this value. So here I was trying with input with the dash divided by 2. So what basically this does is it applies the style transfer only to first half of the video, the second half remains the original video. So if you want to do those kind of things, you can do with the help of this as well. Okay, then you need to go to my module.kt. So here you need to add all these imports. So again, feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Then we are annotating this with @unstable, because at the time of me recording, even though the media 3 library is stable, the API of style transfer effect is little bit unstable. That's why we have to add this. And then I'm extending this transformer.listener. It gives us two methods, on completed and on error, which I'll talk about later on. Then here is our file name, file path, this is the handler, this is the progress holder as well. Here we get hold of our context, here we get hold of our activity. Then here is our array list of effect. Then here is our so this code is present by default, I have not changed anything. So I'll simply scroll through this. This is also, so here I have created our async function apply effect, right? So here firstly we launch this particular coroutine, and here you can see I'm using this byte buffer gl effect bitmap, passing the style transfer effect class which we have created, and here you need to pass your own image name. Okay, firstly you need to take the image inside the assets folder only, and secondly you make sure you pass the proper image name. So in case if your image name is different, make sure you change it as well. Then here we initialize our transformer, here we initialize our input media item, here we initialize edited media item, then here we create an external file, here we start the transformation, then here we do handler.post, and here we get the progress state as well as the progress holder.progress. Now when I showed you inside the text view, there were two things, right? One is the progress state, so progress state can be 0, 1 and 2, and the progress holder.progress, it will be 0 to 100, but it's not guaranteed that this progress holder.progress will always reach till 100. It sometimes stops at 80, sometimes stops at 90, but the progress state always becomes 0 once the video has finished processing. So don't be just reliant on this progress holder.progress in case if you are displaying a progress bar. And here you can see this is how we are sending the event back to Expo React Native side. Here I have added 500 milliseconds delay. Then this is how we create an external file over here. Then this is the code for saving the file to external storage. Again, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code. Then here we override the on completed callback. So here we just save, once the video is finished processing, we save the video to external storage, and we send the URI of the saved video back to Expo React Native side. And finally we have this on error method as well. So here we just display a toast message in case something goes wrong. If you want to send this error message back, you can make use of something like this and send the error message back as well. So I think that should be it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.